Playing it, right?
I was just calling.
Oh, then never mind. Na 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 na. Like, what's up on your mind? You was hard to find. I was like, damn, really, girl, you shine. And how are you mine? From the day I met you, I didn't really think I even had a chance with you. Really, that things that I did. I mean, you see me hit dope for the very first time, and I was like, okay, what is on your mind? The whole fucking time. And you rolled up my swisher, and you got me high. You got me so high. Like, fuck it, it's okay. I didn't think I was the guy. I didn't think you really liked me the way I read you. And I was like, okay, I guess, fuck it, just leave the room. And I seen this other girl, and she was trying to get up on me, and I was like, I don't know, fuck it, I don't know. And I think I might have just did it if a girl didn't walk through and tell me that this girl wanted me to walk with you. And I was like, damn, I think I got a chance. Fuck it, like, fuck this other girl. I don't even know. No, I don't want to hold your hand. Ha! And you didn't understand. Well, I think you understand. Well, it's been like 20 days, and you still my girl today. Like, fuck it, it's a plan. I think I am the man. Like, what have we gone through? Like, fuck it, was worth it. Like, how about you? I don't even care. I came into this world unprepared, and I don't even care. Cause what I found is rare. It's so hard to find. It's like, oh God, something stuck in your mind. Like a dream come true, like a wish upon a star. Like, oh my God, I done been searching for you for so long. Look at me,